Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Anti-Wrinkle Night Moisturizer, Anti-Aging Face Neck Cream, formulated without fragrance, parabens, dyes. 1.7 fluid ounce jar of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Anti-Wrinkle Night Moisturizer with 0.3% pure retinol for softer, smoother skin. Clinically dermatologist-tested moisturizing night cream features a potent 0.3% retinol formula with patented technology to deliver visible results. See reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, diminish the look of dark spots. The anti-aging moisturizer is non-comedogenic, for all skin tones, is specially formulated to be fragrance, paraben, mineral oil, dye phthalate-free. Our 0.3% retinol cream is clinically proven to fight signs of skin aging, provides softer, smoother skin instantly. Skin starts to feel hydrated, brighter, healthier after just 1 week, firmer looking within 4 weeks. From a dermatologist-recommended brand, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Night Cream makes a perfect addition to your daily anti-aging beauty skincare routine for an at-home self-care experience. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I really like it, even my dermatologist told that my skin looks good for my age. I've been using Neutrogena products for almost 3 years and probably won't change for anything else.